Hello everyone. Typically, files uploaded by S3 Link are stored in the standard storage in Amazon S3. However, when files are not needed for a long time and are not being downloaded or viewed frequently, storing them in the standard storage class can increase costs. To minimize costs, you can move those files to AWS Glacier or Deep Archive storage. This way, you can reduce costs while still keeping the files accessible when necessary. Users can manually move files from standard storage to AWS Glacier or Deep Archive storage. But if there are a lot of files in your Salesforce org, manual archival can be tedious. To address this issue, S3 Link offers the ability to automatically archive files. Let's do the setup for auto archival of S3 files. In this video, we will see how your system admin can enable the automatic archival of S3 files from standard storage to AWS Glacier or Deep Archive storage. Navigate to the S3 Link app. Click on the File Management configuration. Set the duration after which files need to be automatically archived in the number of days to archive S3 files. Set the name of the storage class in which archived files need to be moved in Archive Storage class. Allowed values are Deep Archive and Glacier. If you want to auto-archive your files into Deep Archive storage after 6 months, set the number of days to archive S3 files to 180 and the Archive Storage class to Deep Archive and click Save. You will also have to schedule the Apex job which runs every night and perform automatic archival. First, check if the job is already scheduled. Go to Setup and search for Scheduled Jobs in the Quick Find box. Check if the job with the name Archive S3 files is already there. If the job is already scheduled, there is no need to do anything. If the job is not scheduled, then open the Developer console and navigate to the Open Execute Anonymous window. And execute this code. Go to Setup and use the Quick Find box to search for scheduled jobs. Check whether the job has been scheduled or not. The scheduled job name will be Archive S3 files. Thank you for watching.